Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mikushi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a new kind of a program on my channel, which is a sign up form. So, actually, we fill up sign up forms when we are entering a new website. So, this is such kind of a one, and we're using only HTML to create this whole sign up form. So, I'm just going to explain the whole code and let you know how the whole thing works out. So, let's just start. So, first of we have the whole HTML basics, which is the HTML tags, the head tag, body tag, etc. So the first which we have used is the title. Now for title, you can use anything such as you can say sign up, and when someone runs this whole code on a browser, instead of this kind of a new tab, you are going to be displayed with this kind of a sign up. So this is how the title works. Now, coming to the body, we have many things. So, first off, we've kept a background color for the body. Now, the whole code in this area, in this output, will be declared in a color blue. So, everything you see will be blue in color except the text and other things as such. So, first off, we have a very bold, which is H1. H1 is boldest text for HTML. So, we have in here the these following words which say the enter details to sign in, and this is going to be in the color yellow so that the text actually contrasts to the body color. Now next we have some input boxes which we are going to take inputs such as username, password, age, etc. Now here we have input style because we want to check a new color, we want to have a new color, and this text means a data type, the name of that particular blank, like from what identity you're giving, what ID you're giving it. And then we have the placeholder so that the user can understand what box it is for. Now, if you don't have placeholders, the user will be actually really confused at what kind of a box it is. So here we have the same for password and age. We're taking all in text because it is a little bit compatible. Now, sometimes people usually write down their age as 1 4 or 1 5 or whatever the age is. But sometimes when people have a different mindset, they tend to write out the whole thing, which is the whole spelling of 14, 15, 16, or whatever the age is. So if you have a type text, it can take both kind of inputs in there. Now the next one is a phone number. Now phone number is again very important when you're logging into websites. You actually ask for emails, so you can just change it to email or phone number as you wish. The next one is for your gender. Now I'm sorry we have to change it to radio boxes, not check boxes. Now there's a slight difference between radio and checkbox. Now radio boxes are actually the ones in which you can just stick on to one. I'm just going to explain it when I run the code. So here we have these two options, which is the gender with ID gender, which is saying female and male are the two options here. And now we have a button like now actually after you fill up all your details, you're going to submit the form. So here we have a submit button, and this is in form 1, the value is submit, and this is the placeholder for it. Here as well, male and female are being the the placeholders for it, what is going to be the text on it. Now let's just run this and see what kind of output we get. So here's the output, and here as you can see, we have an enter details to sign in, which I've already shown. So we have username, you can just have anything right here. Then you can just have any kind of passwords, then any age. Now as you can see, now I can just write down like this, or I can just also go for this. There are two kinds of inputs which I can do, and numbers as well. So there is anything which you can do, and radio boxes. Now I'm a female, so I'm just going to take on female. Now there is another one which is check boxes. Now I'm going to explain you that. So first of all, we're going to change it to checkbox. And here also we're going to have checkbox. Now checkboxes are the ones in which you can take two of them. Like, okay, we're going to run it. Now here, as you can see, I can take on female as well and male as well. This is for a different set of options, and radio boxes are for a different set of options. Now, if I have placed it to radio boxes again, I cannot choose both of them, which is I cannot choose female and male at the same time. I have to choose any one of them. And at the end, we have this submit button. The submit button is not yet linked to another website or another kind of a page, but I'm going to do it soon and the video will be on my channel. So this is how the whole thing works. Now let's just go back to radio boxes. Now, if we run this thing again over here, now as you can see, I cannot take on both, which is female and male. The boxes actually just change and you can just only take on one. So that's how the whole code works. And if you like the video, just like, share, subscribe, come down below and press the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.